Hi Meg, how's it going? I feel like I haven't seen you properly in ages.
Yeah, all good thanks, Caddy. Things have just been a bit hectic at home recently. With Mum being ill and that.
Yeah, how is she?
Same, She gets frustrated because she can't do much around the house and stuff. I have to help her get out of bed, get washed, dressed and fed.
Yeah, must be hard for you.
It's okay, it can be pretty tiring sometimes. But it's not just about my mum, Cooking, cleaning, shopping, it all has to be done. And my brother's a bit too young to be able to help with stuff. I also have to take care of him, and it doesn't help when he's in his major meltdowns in the morning. I can't even get him to brush his teeth sometimes.
That must be difficult when you have to get yourself ready for school and stuff as well.
Yeah, it can be hard to concentrate in lessons sometimes because I'm tired or because I worry about my mum's illness. I just do what needs to be done. I want to make life easier for my family. Without help, Mum would really struggle to do anything.
That's amazing. You know what, Meg? You're my hero. I really don't think I could do what you do.
You could if you had to. When things get a bit too much, I know that I can talk to my teacher or YMCA Swansea. They can give some good advice and support for young carers, and that helps a lot. Being a young carer means that I have to give up some things, like spending time with friends, but I know that that's the right thing to do, and I'm kind of proud of myself for doing it too. I feel like I'm making a difference to my mum's life, taking away some of the pressure and giving it time to feel better.
Talking to you today has been a real eye-opener. You really are an inspiration. I'm glad that you're my friend.
Thanks, Caddy. That means a lot. I'm glad you're my friend too.